Asuntoskeittiö Myyrmäki.
Today it's 21st of July 2021. We have Löydöstie Fyndvägen 1 staircase B, and this is the last staircase to be filmed in this residential building. We have filmed all other 7 staircases here. Capacity is 4 persons of 325 kilograms, and this is built in 1975. Turned 45 years old in last year 2020. With MP in 8 fixtures, occupied light and windows, 6 floors. Now the serial number is H30192, and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2020.
Inspekteert beide CP met dit machine.
And I think the reason why in staircase H, the 7 floors, they have the MP6 is because it was chosen there is with the special one as it's 1 floor higher than the other ones.
Yeah.
That's probably the reason. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's it.